sharing life hacks every day. You'll be amazed at how powerful cola can be. 1. If you accidentally get gum in your hair, pour cola into a small bowl and soak your hair in it for a few minutes. The gum will easily come off. 2. Mix cola with dish soap, shake it well, and spray it onto the oil stains in your kitchen. A gentle wipe will instantly refresh the area. 3. Mix cola with conditioner and spray it on the mirror. The mirror will be spotlessly clean instantly. 4. Mix cola with laundry detergent. It can get rid of black and moldy stains. 5. Mix cola with laundry powder, shake it well, and spray it onto the yellow stains in the toilet. The yellow stains and odors will be instantly eliminated. 6. If there's too much residue in your kettle, pour cola into it and heat until it boils, then pour it out. Your kettle will be as good as new. 7. Place a rusty wrench in a cup and pour cola over it. Let it sit for half an hour to dissolve the rust. Use an old-faced towel to gently wipe it off, and the wrench will be as good as new. 8. Pour an appropriate amount of cola, a little toilet water, dish soap, baking soda, and white vinegar into your washing machine, then start the cleaning cycle. Today, I'm giving my washing machine a bath. Let's see how dirty my washing machine is. Follow me for more daily life hacks.